Have you ever clicked on a journal article and thought, is this real? If so, you may have found a so-called predatory journal. These journals publish articles with a greatly shortened or no peer review process, force authors to pay large sums of money to guarantee publication, and may disappear or even change names without warning, with no way for you to access that article again. You may come across predatory journals in your searching, especially in Google and Google Scholar. You might also be exposed to predatory journals through emails, where you'll be invited to submit a manuscript or even go to a conference. Knowing what to look for to avoid predatory journals can help you find the most credible information more quickly, and avoid submitting your work where it won't be recognized. If you suspect you found a predatory journal, here are some quick tips on how to confirm your suspicions. Look at the journal's website to see if they promise a very short peer review process or a guarantee of publication. You can often find this on a page about submitting a manuscript or instructions for authors. For example, this journal says you can pay to have your article peer-reviewed, revised, and accepted within about 7 days, which is far shorter than normal. Most journals have long time frames to allow for rigorous peer review and do not guarantee that any article submitted will be published. Another option is to check to see if there are major spelling or grammar errors. We've all had a typo, and 1 or 2 mistakes are okay. But if what you're reading is full of errors, that could mean it's predatory. This journal, Community and Public Wellness Nursing, is an example. It has a lot of dead links and other misspellings and errors that make it pretty suspicious. Finally, if a journal says it is indexed or included in a database that you know or have access to, check to see if that's actually true. This journal says its articles should be in DOAJ, a large, credible database for open access research. However, when you actually go to that database and search this journal, nothing comes up. If you're not sure if a journal or an email is from a legitimate or predatory place, reach out to a librarian or faculty member and ask for help. We all want to make sure that your research thrives.